How to make keto snack plate with rocket and basil pesto. There is no reason to deprive yourself when you're keeping your sugars low. This keto snack plate could be an afternoon delight, or a different lunch to what you're used to. Pair this platter with a rocket and basil pesto for some zing, and keep any leftover pesto in your fridge for snacks throughout the week, or add to salads or zoodles with your chosen protein. Start to finish, 15 minutes. Ingredients: rocket and basil pesto, 50 grams rocket, 30 grams basil, 1/2 cup macadamia nuts, 3/4 cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons lime juice, 1 garlic clove, salt and pepper to taste. Keto snack platter, 1/2 cup Kalamata pitted olives in brine, 4 slices of free-range prosciutto, cured with salt only, 4 small cucumbers or 1 Lebanese, 2 celery stalks, 3 to 4 sugar-free chocolate bliss balls, 1/2 cup rocket and basil pesto. Note on ingredients: garlic and pepper are suspect spices on the bulletproof diet because of their susceptibility to mold, and garlic can inhibit alpha brain waves and affect your mood. Skip these spices or only use them on occasion. Find the recipe for chocolate bliss balls here. Instructions: for the rocket and basil pesto, place all of the ingredients in your blender and blend until it reaches your desired consistency. Be careful not to overblend, though, as you still want the macadamia nuts a little chunky to add texture. Store in a glass jar in your fridge to use for up to a week in salads, with veggie sticks, among a platter like so and more. To assemble the keto snack platter, place all ingredients onto a platter with your desired style, and enjoy.